Hi, it's Miss Todoric. I am a business and computer teacher who also loves real estate, photography. I like to invest. I am licensed, so I do have a real estate license in New Jersey. I lost my New York one, so recently I've been documented my journey on obtaining my New York license. I want to get it back. I want to look for a house in New York. So I took the real estate class. I want to go over this is Corofy. So I kind of browsed. I didn't go in person this time. I was specifically looking for an online and something like cheap and inexpensive. So this is the website I found. So this is inexpensive compared to other ones that I was shopping for. There was like close to like 400, 500 other companies. I selected this one. I was 179 for the entire 77-hour course. I think I had a coupon too for like 20% off. So I joined it. I just finished it. I'm going to show you. I logged in. Let me log in and show you what I think I showed it to you before in my other video, but let me show you after you complete it. So here's the course, 99% complete. You would take the school exam, which is so much harder from my experience. I know years ago when I took it in person in New York City. And I know it was very hard, like the school exam. And then the state exam was much easier. The state exam is like $15. I think the harder of the two would be the course exam because this exam that I took was, I think, 75, 85 questions. But it does definitely prepare you for the state exam. So once you complete all these chapters, then you go and you schedule their exam. Their exam, I had to physically go. I went to like a library upstate in Dutchess County. They have other areas. Take your final exam. Let me see. No, I can't really show you, but you can see the certificate. Sorry, it just cut me off. Okay, so I think because I opened up a PDF. So if I work on Clipchamp, it's a very basic video editing program. It just it just cut it off. So here I opened this file. So this, I downloaded this certificate. So this certificate, you're going to mail this to the state. So this goes to Albany. And then this is just verifies that I taken the 77 hours and then I passed the school exam. So this, I took the exam, I think yesterday. Was it yesterday? The day before? Where's the date on this? There's no date. Yeah. Well, I just finished the class, the exam, and then now I have to schedule my state exam, and I already scheduled that, so that's going to be March 4th. I'll keep you posted. And then obviously once you take and pass the state exam, I would have to get a broker to sponsor me. So I need to look for a broker. Like I said, I might be going just to Coldwell Banker or find another real estate agency that's close to my house and then hold my license in that office and make sure this time that I don't lose my license. So every 2 years, do my continuing education credits. And then I will post videos on how to, shop for a house, look at listings, and educate you on like commission and whatever you need to know. Just put questions. But I just wanted to share my journey with you. And if you are interested in being a realtor in the state of New York, you can, hopefully this helps you. And Corofy, they also have a very nice YouTube channel. So on my drive to take their test, I found their YouTube channel. I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. And I was just listening to the different questions and the answers. So this kind of, I think it helped. I mean, I didn't have too much time. I probably watched like 1 or 2 videos on my drive up there. So it's nice because it goes chapter by chapter and it gives you all the answers. So it's just kind of like a review. Yeah, that was the video I watched right here. So they have a great YouTube channel to supplement the course if you need it. And they also offer, which I'll probably stick with them as far as, 2 years, I think it was 2 years down the line, doing the continuing education course. All right, so I will keep you posted and thanks for watching.